This is how you speak blessings upon your life. Every day you tell yourself, this is the happiest that I've ever been. I always have more than enough. I'm always taken care of. I'm always guided. I'm always supported. I have always been valued and respected in all of my relationships. I'm the creator of my reality, and what I say goes. I love my life so much, and I'm so grateful for everything that I get to experience every day. I wake up and my life just keeps getting better and better. Everyone is literally so captivated by my beauty, and everyone is so in love with me. And every time I walk into a room, everybody turns their heads and looks at me. They're so in awe of the person that I am. I'm a living, breathing, walking magnetic goddess. I do the choosing. I can have anyone I want, anytime, anywhere, because I'm creating my reality every single second. The universe always conspires in my favor, and everything is always working out for me. Even if it doesn't seem like it is, I trust. I trust myself and I trust the universe, and I know I always get what I want. That's just who I am. This is just the way life is for me. I always get what I want, and manifesting is so easy for me. Listen to that talk every single day. Let it sink into your subconscious mind and watch how fast you manifest your desires. I have so many of these affirmation tapes inside my program, Become Magnetic. So check it out at the link in my bio if that's what you're interested in. Listen to them every day, and I promise your reality will change. All right, I'll see you inside the program. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. Follow for more, and I'll see you next time.